Hello friends, I'm Ellie. Welcome to Cardboard Design. Today, I will show you how to make a cute pink house from cardboard with a rainbow bedroom.
Oh my gosh!
Good boy.
Let's get started. I will use wooden floors, pink and yellow for the walls. I think it will fit very well. I added a few large cardboard blocks to make the second floor, leaving space for the swimming pool and garage. Let's start with the stairs. I used colored foam to stick to the edges of the cardboard. Let's add more colors. I used 2 pieces of cardboard to create height for the bed. Use lots of pink clay to wrap the outside. Roll the clay and flatten it. So funny. Place the piece of clay on top of the cardboard. Fold the edges neatly, then cut off the excess. Next, I used dark pink clay to make the blanket. Similar to just now, I'm going to flatten it. Use the mold to shape the blanket.
Wow!
I removed the unused part. Decorate the blanket with a white border. Press lightly to create texture for the border. I'm going to add a lot of gems on top for sparkle. Glue the ribbon on top, then finish with a yellow string. Now let's make the headboard. I will roll the clay into fibers of many different colors. Arrange them in order like this and we have a rainbow headboard. Remember to cut off the excess. Decorate a little more and you're done. I added white clouds for decoration. I put many white clay balls together to create a cloud shape.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word.
Add a cute face to the cloud.
Keep on staring at the pavement.
Wow!
God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost
Let's add color to the clouds.
echoing inside your walls.
I'll put on a cute blush.
Underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our
That's just
doubts.
amazing!
Nothing's gonna make
I need to make more bedside cabinets. I used green clay to cover the outside of the nightstand. Fold the edges neatly, then cut off the excess. Add stand below. Decorated with yellow string. Add a pink drawer in the middle. Add white border outside.
But I told you so.
Finally, add the flower-shaped handle. We also need lights for the bedroom. What shape should I make as a night light? With white and red clay, can you guess what shape I will make? That's right, I made a mushroom-shaped nightlight. Do you like it?
I love it!
used blue clay to make the bathroom floor. I added a checkered pattern on the clay.
Inside your walls, 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be
Next, I recycled straws to make a shower head.
what I told you so.
Add a button to distinguish hot and cold water. I cut off the top of the glue bottle to make a toilet. Then flatten the white clay to cover the outside. Add pink border on top.
You never give me any chance. Watch me on my way out.
Decorate pink clay fibers around.
Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts.
Add a strand of gemstones for extra pop. I used pink clay to make a toilet lid. I'll give it a petal shape with a white outline.
I told you so.
It looks so beautiful. Now, add a transparent swimming pool to the house. Let's do the kitchen. I will use yellow clay. There's a little cat inside.
Oh my
What to do
gosh.
now? Let's bathe the cat together.
Let's do this.
Pour water into the bathtub. Add shower gel and then use a brush to clean the cat's fur. Wow, is a cute cat.
Good boy.
Remember to use a towel to clean the cat's water so it doesn't get sick. Now let's continue working on the kitchen. I rolled and flattened a large amount of yellow clay to make a kitchen table. Cover the prepared cardboard with the clay I just rolled flat. Use scissors to cut off the excess. Add a few decorative windows above. Do you see how it looks like a boat? I mixed green and white clay to make the tabletop. Roll it out flat and cut it into rectangles. A gas stove is indispensable. I made a small flower pot to decorate the kitchen. Brown clay will be used to make flower pots. Add a little green grass. I used yellow clay to make flower petals. To be faster, I will use this toy. Just press lightly once and you will have a beautiful petal shape. Add pistils and petals and you're done.
To me.
Add a few other small flower pots on the shelf. I need a dining table. I will use pink clay. Add a boat steering wheel on top for decoration. Finally, add the table legs and you're done. Attach a climbing beak to suit the boat. Next, I used pink clay to make a simple TV shell.
Like a flash in the universe, you are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar. Like I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So
Place a large TV on the shelf.
I don't see the logic of things.
Please join me in making a beautiful sofa. I flattened the purple clay and cut it according to the prepared cardboard mold.
Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Create more texture for the backrest. The outside border is white, adding a few spiral motifs for decoration. Don't forget to add soft cushions. Add the stand and you're done.
Even if I told you I could never let you go, I'm not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No.
The house is completed. Do you like it? Please like, share, subscribe to see more cute houses. Bye bye!